In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Zoom from automatically recording. Automatically recording can mean a few different things in Zoom, so we'll walk through the key places to check, depending on whether you want to turn it off for everything you host, just for a particular meeting, or in the middle of a call that's already recording. First, let's turn off automatic recording in your Zoom settings. This is the most common cause. Open a web browser and sign in to the Zoom web portal. This needs to be done on the web, not just in the desktop app. Once you're signed in, go to Settings and then open the Recording tab. Look for the setting called Automatic Recording. If it's on, toggle it off. This controls whether meetings you host begin recording the moment they start. If you see that the setting is locked or grayed out, that means your organization manages it. In that case, you won't be able to change it yourself, and you'll need to ask your Zoom administrator to disable it for you. If you manage Zoom for a team, make sure you're checking the correct level of settings so the change applies as intended. Next, if you only want to stop auto-recording for a specific meeting, you can adjust it when scheduling. When you create a new meeting, or edit an existing one, expand the advanced options. There you'll see a checkbox labeled Automatically Record Meeting. Uncheck that box, and that particular meeting won't start recording on its own. If it's a recurring meeting, make sure you're editing the series or the specific occurrence you care about, so the change lands where you expect. This is especially helpful if you normally keep auto-recording off, but had previously enabled it for a special event. Finally, if you're already in a meeting and it starts recording, you can stop it right away. On the Zoom toolbar, click Stop Recording to end the recording for the session. If you plan to continue later, use pause recording instead, then resume when you're ready. If you don't see the toolbar, just move your mouse to bring it up. To recap, turn off automatic recording in your web settings for a global fix. Uncheck Automatically Record Meeting in Advanced Options to handle a specific meeting, and use stop or pause during a call if recording has already begun. With these checks, you'll have full control over when your Zoom meetings get recorded.